Take 66. Hi, I'm Sean.
I'm Jelena.
We're two expat creatives and we've just bought a house and we need to renovate it very quickly.
It's about 300 years old.
Budget.
Yes, on a very small budget. We bought it for 25,000 euro. It's falling apart, but it is gorgeous.
We're going to live in this house, but it's not this house. This is a model of the house we made. Our house is exactly like this, but real. You ready? We've got all our official paper. We're doing a video. Uh-oh. Come in. My super love Anne inside the medieval city. Boy. Cheers. Built out of straw. So I'm going to take this section out gently and put a new piece of wood in, pending having our builder have a look at the problem. And you can see eventually we want it always stone like that. But that's not a job for today. week's video day 28. We have a little exhausted. We have cuts and blisters and bruises and probably giant muscles. But there's progress and that's the best of it. Oh, and just having a little breather.
So this is a little bit strange for me. I'm not used to working on building sites like Sean is. He's been doing it for decades. But for me, it's very strange to be able to feel the grit between my teeth. Oh my gosh, so my lungs are a little bit challenged, I think. Last night I was coughing like crazy. So I have to be careful about that and maybe get a more hardcore mask than this little thing. Yeah, so it's a bit of a learning curve for me in a whole bunch of ways, but it's super fun. I love it. I love it to pieces.
I'll say there's not much of a vacation aspect, it's more of a batshit crazy with demolition aspect.
So we're on our way to the house. It's day 5 and we are feeling a little bit better. We got a really good night's sleep last night and we're not quite so strung out. We feel really proud of our efforts. Really, our bedroom has come such a long way from when we first moved in, and it was a hideous, like, acid trip bordello type of vibe going on with neon pink wallpaper, and it was crazy. So we feel very good about it. We love it now, although it's still got rubble all over the floor and it's super dusty. We can totally see its potential. So, yay. Right now we're just stopping at the grocery store. Sean just went in to get us munchies for today's work, where we're going to hopefully finish the bedroom completely, which means clearing out the wall space on either side of the tower, and painting all the walls, sandpapering the rafters, and then painting them. And then our bedroom will get a nice scrub. All those wonderful pink tiles that are really, really old, probably a couple 100 years old, I'd say. They will get a good scrub so that they'll start being that like wonderful kind of glowing pink color. And yeah, so we'll scrub the floor. I think that's really about it. Sean just, when he left the car, he said, fuck it. I just want to get a nice rug in the bedroom, get our bed in there, a mattress, and then just play house for the end of forever. I think that's kind of how we feel right now. Just get us a bedroom. Just get us a livable bedroom that's cozy, and we can exist for the rest of forever and be happy. So yeah, so that's the beginning of today. Feeling super hopeful, feeling great, actually super proud, and just really psyched. I'm starting the blog today, so I have to catch up on 5 days. It'll be super random and there'll be so many typos, it might be unintelligible. But at the end of our work days, like 11-hour days or something, we're like, the idea of writing blog posts is really over the top. But I really want to do it. I really want to track this adventure, and people have been telling us that, you know, we should do a YouTube channel or something. So we might do that, actually. We've been talking about it. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. And yeah. So that's it for now. We thought it would be impossible. We thought it was too good to be true. But here we are.
We're gonna make it. Very rewarding. Very hard work, but very rewarding, I would say. On a scale of 1 to very rewarding, we're past the top end of very. Join us, damn you.